Welcome to Doplac CRM, your ultimate CRM solution for managing your digital agency. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Stripe payment gateway to your Doplac CRM. Click on Settings under Billing area from your Doplac CRM, and then here it is. At this moment, you can connect only Stripe to your Doplac CRM, but we are working to provide you PayPal and Wise and others payment method. I hope that all of the services will be available very soon. So how you can connect your Stripe, just click on Stripe and here it is. Give your Stripe a name. I'm going to give it a name, new Stripe account. Okay. Now you have to provide your Stripe publish key and secret key here. How you can get your Stripe secret key or publish key? We already have an instruction here, but I'm going to show you. So to go to your Stripe account, click on the developer from the top right corner. Click on API keys. And here it is. This is the publish key, and click on secret key. Then here it is. It is the secret key. So I'm going to copy my publish key from here. Going to my Doplac CRM. Paste your publish key here. Once again, go to your Stripe account. Copy your secret key. Paste your secret key here. Click on connect Stripe. And here it is. It is done. It is the very simple way you can connect your Stripe to your Doplac CRM. So this is the very simple way you can connect your payment gateway to your Doplac CRM. After connecting your payment gateway, you'd be able to create services, you'd be able to create subscription, and you'd be able to get payment and receive payment on your Doplac CRM.